Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this design using Figma and Master UI design system. Let's get started. First, we need to download the Master UI design file for Figma. So let's go to masterui.co and in the home page, try it for free and hit download now. Next, here on Gumroad, you can add $0 and I want this, and you can add your email and hit get. All right, now you can download. Let's go to your drafts file in Figma and in your download. Here is the masterui.fig file. You can select and drag it into your draft. Let's save that and open the file. Next, let's create a new page and rename it our design. Let's drag it to the bottom of the design file. And here we are going to create our design. Let's begin.